Hello KonnecttzIT family, welcome to KonnecttzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to integrate WordPress with Mailerlite. One of the user has requested for KonnecttzIT, so whenever there is a user created on WordPress, so we have to create a subscriber in a segment on Mailerlite. So this is a use case I'm gonna show you today. So before we creating our workflow, so we have to authorize Mailerlite. So I'll show you how to authorize Mailerlite. Just click on Mailerlite app and it will ask you for an API key. So just click on add account. So you will ask about the API key. So go to Mailerlite and you have to go to integration tab. When you click on integration, so you will get the API as listed. So just click on use and just generate a token by giving a name. So you can specify any app name and create a token. You will get an API key. So just copy that and go to KonnecttzIT and paste inside KonnecttzIT. And just click on SN continue. So this will going to authorize Mailerlite inside KonnecttzIT. It's as simple as such. So now we are ready to build a workflow. So go to create connect. So I'll name my connect as WordPress user to Mailerlite subscriber. So now I'm going to search for WordPress app. So drag and drop the WordPress app and select the trigger as user created, or you can select as configure webbook, and then copy the webbook URL, and based on the instructions provided here you have to install a plugin for WordPress, that is WP Webhooks. We had shown in our previous video. Please go ahead and check how to install that. So just go to, based on the instruction, go to your WordPress site, and under once you install that plugin, so under settings tab you will be have a button called WP Webhooks. You have to click on that, and here in WP Webhooks click on send data, and you will be having an triggers for all these triggers. So you just need to select that whenever user created, so just select that user created, add the webbook URL. You can name the webbook URL and just paste the webbook URL you copied from KonnecttzIT and click on add for create user. That's it. So once you've done that, so go ahead to your users tab and click on add new. So before that, before you filling this form, just go to KonnecttzIT and click on capture it webbook response. So this will enable KonnecttzIT to capture the response from your webbook. So now go to WordPress again and create a record. So I'm gonna select as Rakesh Mahesh, name my email ID, do it as Rakesh VM. So website, let it be KonnecttzIT.com, and I can do as an editor, I can assign any role to my user and just click on add new user. So once this user is created, so automatically KonnecttzIT will receive a response. You can see that. So the response will be present inside this data tab. Just click on that. So you will get the response over here. The name, the user login, nickname, email ID and URL, and also the display name. So we get all the details. So now what I do is I will go to Mailerlite. So now we go and search for Mailerlite app and drag and drop Mailerlite, and if you have multiple accounts, select your account. So this will be like you have to select the action. So we will be selecting as create or update subscriber. So basically what we are doing is we are just creating or updating a new subscriber, and you have option to choose the group. So just wait for the group. So you will select as KonnecttzIT demo group one and choose. If you select as resubscribe, basically if a user you are having, it will be overwrite. So as you are choosing the create or update subscriber, so now it will ask for email field, which is mandatory, and also the name. So just go here and connect between the nodes. I will just connect name field, email field, and also the name field. So similarly you can do like split the names into first name and last name, or if you need any other details you can just add with the company name and any other details as well. So just now I will just add these two mandatory fields, that is name and email, to the Mailerlite subscriber. So I will go ahead and hit on test and review. So this will going to create this particular subscriber inside my Mailerlite. So I'll go to my Mailerlite subscriber list. So right now I have only one subscriber, so which is bot Rocky. So now let me go to KonnecttzIT and hit on test and review. So this will going to create a subscriber with rocky.bm2@gmail.com. So now we are done with our testing. So let me go to Mailerlite and refresh my page. So there will be a subscriber added, you can see that. So rocky.bm2@gmail.com subscriber as created recently. So now we are done with our placement. So go ahead and publish our Konnectz. So once I publish my Konnectz, so let's go ahead and test this Konnectz, so how it is working. So I'll just go to my WordPress site and create a new user. So just click on add new, and I'll be doing it as, let me name as John Doe and john.doe@gmail.com. First name is John and second name is Doe, and we do have a website of johndoe.com, something like this, and you can create any other. I'll just create a subscriber and click on add new user. So once we done this, automatically once a new user created inside our WordPress site, so we go to Mailerlite subscriber based on our integration that looks like this. So any user created on WordPress, so automatically we create new subscriber on Mailerlite. So now let's go to Mailerlite and refresh our page. Yes, you can see that the subscriber list is updated to 3, and we have the john.doe@gmail.com is been added as a subscriber inside Mailerlite. So this is how you can create a subscriber whenever you add a new user or whenever your user is being created on your WordPress site. Hope you guys like this integration. If you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop us on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.